Will robots replace humans? Can you imagine a robot as your doctor, or your teacher, your judge, or even your friend? Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever. But is it a blessing or a danger? Let's find out the truth about AI. What is AI? Artificial intelligence means machines that think like humans. It learns from data, makes decisions, and solves problems. There are three main types. Machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. AI is already in our lives, like Siri, Google, YouTube, and ChatGPT. Where is AI used? AI is everywhere. In hospitals, it helps diagnose diseases. In schools, it gives smart learning. In finance, it predicts the stock market. In transport, it powers self-driving cars. It's in security cameras and smart devices too. Benefits of AI. AI works fast, with less mistakes. It saves time and improves life. It can help doctors, teachers, and even farmers. It gives more access to education and healthcare. Dangers of AI. But AI also has risks. It can take away jobs. It can break privacy. It can be used for fake videos and war technology. If we don't control it, it can harm us. AI is powerful. It can build the future or destroy it. It depends on how we use it. We must learn about AI and use it wisely. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FSpark. Your support helps us grow, and your comments guide us forward. Stay with us for more tech wonders and amazing facts. Until next time, take care.